Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So basically today I'm going to be telling you guys about a side hustle video that I watched here on YouTube about how you can make money by watching popular YouTube videos. This video was uploaded by a fellow Jamaican YouTuber, which is Odetta Rockstar. I'm pretty sure you guys probably would have seen this if you're interested in those type of videos, if you're always trying to see how you can make money online. Well, I came across this video like, what was it, 6 months ago? I think it was 6 months ago. I came across this video when it first came out because I am indeed subscribed to her channel. So basically in the video she explained that you're not actually going to watch the video, even though it is titled that you're going to earn money watching the videos. I've always watched her videos and tips that she gives out, and I find some of them to be very helpful tips, especially if you're an entrepreneur, if you want to go into real estate. I find them very interesting. So this time I decided that I was going to give her video idea a shoot. Like, I'm gonna give it a shot, right? And why not? You know, because persons are always in the comment section saying that it works. And if you guys look at that video today, it has like 1.4 million views. So 1.4 people around the world are supposed to be earning a lot of money passively, or yeah, in a sense. So basically, even though the video says that you're going to make money watching YouTube videos, that's not necessarily the case. So what she recommended in the video is to actually go on YouTube and search for popular topics that are trending now, basically. And I don't mean like TikTok trends, I mean like educational stuff. And basically what you do is use AI tools, right? We all know about those AI tools. And what we do is use AI tools, and you copy the link of the video or something, upload to the AI tool. It will run a transcript for you. You can either put the transcript in ChatGPT, another AI tool, to, you know, fatten it up a little bit, make it sound a little better than how it actually sounds in the video if it's not that educational. And basically you don't do that much work. You basically get a video that's educational, that people are interested in, probably astrology, finance, which is the reason why you're here today. So I decided that, you know, it's more on my alley. I tried something like this when I was in high school because I was always the audience for these type of videos, and I've tried surveys where I earned cents, and I was just like, no, it just didn't work. Like, I feel like I have so many accounts out there with different survey companies that supposedly is going to make us $70 an hour, which never ever do that. It's more like 70 cents, but that's for another day. So I decided that I was going to try it because I see a lot of person commenting, and like I said, I did something similar to this when I was in high school. You know, I work, I trade, and this could be something that could make some extra money, so I decided to try it. So basically, after you do all of this, you're going to create an account with Vocal Media, and they're supposedly going to pay you $3 something per story, and if you become a member and make a subscription, you get more money. I don't remember right now. I'm actually on their sites because I want to show you guys. So this was 6 months ago, because I did this 6 months ago. So basically she was saying, you know, it might not seem a lot, and guys, you don't get paid this $3 until your blog or not story or whatever it is, your report, article, whatever it is, gets 1,000 views. It seems as if it's easy to do because she actually tried it out and they made what? It was like some sense, and it didn't make any sense. So basically she made some sense in the beginning, and she convinced. At first I was like, so what's the big deal? I'm going to waste my time here. And then she made a convincing story about putting out, what was it? It's 10 stories a day. So if you put out 10 stories a day, the chances are you can make an extra 3 bills in your pocket. But you have to put out 10 stories for 30 days. So for the entire month, or if it's 31 days in that month, you have to put out 10 stories a day. But she was saying this is pretty easy because, you know, you're not doing anything. The AI is doing it. But so I'm like, okay, fine, let me try it with one story. Let me see what the views is like with one story. I'm gonna try it. This was 6 months ago because it didn't make sense for me to put out 10 stories or articles. This could possibly make some, you know, passive income, like, you know, but I want to see how it performs first. It has been 6 months, guys, and my earnings in my wallet on vocalmedia.com is 0.02 cents. And in the past 6 months, because I'm telling you guys that I made that video long time ago and with the intention of coming back in a month to show you guys my experience, but it was just so demotivating. And she always mentioned in her videos that you have to do the work. My all-time read for the 6 months is like 4 reads. I got a total of 4 reads. 1, 2, 3, 4 reads. No reads in the last 30 days, and my total earnings is 0.02 cents. And I'm just looking at it, I'm like, suppose I had actually gotten up and, say for instance, I had actually like did it for a whole month and doing 10 topics every day, which honestly, when you have a job, because this is not something that's going to give you financial freedom, this is not something that's going to pay your bills, and doing that takes time because, one, you do not want to be plagiarized, and she did recommend that you tweak it a little bit. And when she did it, she had an entire team that was making these things or doing these articles a day. Guys, it's just not feasible. It doesn't make sense. And at the end of the day, guys, it's good to try out things before going in and see what things doesn't make sense for you given your situation. Like, if you have time to waste, sure, go ahead and do your 10 videos a day for 30 days. It's still not going to make sense at the end of the day. Like, it's not practical. It doesn't make sense. And that's how I feel about some of my AI videos now, because at the time that I made those videos, like, AI was very popular, everyone was using it, but now there's so many laws against content created from AI that you cannot like gain from it or profit from it now. And it just makes me look back at those things and just think, okay, you know, maybe it's not practical at the end of the day, and this is not very practical at the end of the day. It's not very practical, but you know, I'm still searching to see if I can find some jobs online that makes sense, but this one is definitely not one of them, and I don't recommend doing it. So thank you guys for watching, and honestly, I wouldn't say I am completely against her channel, because she does give out good financial advice in terms of starting a business, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, sure. But next thing I probably try is one of her free websites where you get free money that she recommends. If you know, you know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and yeah, bye.